sound cliche, the call for better education. But the reality remains. Many students, even in junior high school and senior high school, is still struggling to read or to understand what they're reading. Education is not a privilege, it's a basic right. I speak for those who silently pretend to understand but afraid to ask for help. Illiteracy is not just about reading. It's about passion. It's about lost confidence and dreams put on hold. Let's start acting. One student, one page, one voice at a time. Because I believe that when one learns, we all rise. Thank you.